And we don't even have to boil these. They'll cook perfectly well in oven as they are. And they'll come out really soft on inside and crispy on outside. And I think that's going to be plenty. We'll save that. So we'll chuck these in a bowl and we'll just give them a quick rinse to get rid of starch. Now we're going to put a couple of eggs in a bowl. And then we'll just beat these eggs. Then in another bowl we're going to add about half a teaspoon of garlic, a little oregano, black pepper, salt and a bit of paprika. I'd say again about a teaspoon on this, and we'll get these spices mixed up. And now we'll add some Italian cheese. Make sure you combine this really well. And we're going to dip them in this egg, get a good coating on them. And then straight into spices and get a nice coating of those on as well. So they've all been nicely coated, and we'll pop them in a preheated oven, 200 degrees, for about 30 minutes. So we've got a nice little spicy coating, a bit of garlic, and then the coated in that Italian cheese as well.